In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import an Adobe After Effects project or composition into Adobe Premiere Pro. If you've ever faced the challenge of integrating your After Effects creations with your Premiere Pro projects, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. To get started, one of the most efficient ways to import After Effects projects into Premiere Pro is by using Adobe's dynamic link. This method allows you to maintain an active connection between the two programs, giving you the flexibility to edit your After Effects compositions and see those changes reflected in Premiere Pro in real time. First things first, you'll need to save your project in After Effects. Make sure that this project contains the composition you want to use in Premiere. Saving your work is crucial, not just for the import process, but as a good habit within any creative workflow. Once your After Effects project is saved, it's time to hop over to Premiere Pro. Here, navigate to the top menu and click on File, then Import. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl or CMD+I for a quicker option. This will open the Import dialog box. In this dialog, you will need to locate your After Effects project file, which will have a .aep extension. As you select this file, you might notice Adobe's dynamic link feature kick in, with a server briefly starting up to manage the connection between After Effects and Premiere Pro. This is part of the magic that maintains a dynamic, editable relationship between the two applications. After selecting your project, a dialog box will appear listing all available compositions within the selected After Effects project. Take your time here to choose the composition or compositions that you desire. Once you've picked the right files, you'll see these compositions appear in your Premiere Pro project panel almost immediately. Now, these compositions will act like any other media clip you might use in Premiere. You can simply drag and drop them into your timeline, integrating them into your video project with ease. If at any point during your project you need to make adjustments to your After Effects composition, there's no need to worry about a cumbersome re-import process. Simply go back to Premiere, right-click on the linked composition, and choose Edit Original. This will open After Effects, where you can make your changes. After you've made your edits and saved them in After Effects, just switch back to Premiere Pro. You'll notice the changes have automatically reflected in your timeline without any additional importing required. And that's it. By utilizing Adobe's dynamic link, you ensure not just a smoother workflow, but a more flexible editing environment where changes can be made efficiently. This technique is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their video projects with the dynamic capabilities of After Effects compositions.